Welcome to DeChain Daily News. We share the best news stories of the day to keep you informed of cryptocurrency and blockchain related headlines and events. Today is June the 28th, 2022. So there are several headlines about crypto miners in the news today. The miners have taken a significant hit during this recent bear market. So to start off, Bitcoin miner Mawson will defer all major capital expenditures until the market recovers. So Bitcoin mining company Mawson Infrastructure Group said it would suspend all major capital expenditures until market conditions are better. Additionally, the firm is voluntarily reducing its energy use given lower pricing for Bitcoin and higher energy cost. The company received its final shipment of Canann A1246 ASIC Bitcoin miners in June and has no further outstanding payments due for Bitcoin mining rigs. Mawson owns over 40,000 ASIC, and that's application-specific integrated circuit Bitcoin mining machines with a combined estimated hash rate of 3.35 exahash per second, accounting for approximately 1.675% of the Bitcoin network's total hash rate. Last year, the firm generated $19.4 million in total revenue and spent $6.03 million in capital expenditures, or that's purchasing property and equipment. CEO and founder James Manning said the company does not have any outstanding contracts to purchase additional mining machines, which allows them to focus on building other revenue streams while Bitcoin prices are depressed. The Montana operation of Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital Holdings has gone offline. So Marathon Digital reported that a facility in Hardin, Montana lost power on June 11th. The facility, which houses 30,000 miners, represents 75% of the company's active fleet. The company said the facility would remain offline until the power generating facility nearby is repaired. So the company was already experiencing reduced productivity due to delays at a Texas facility, and the company has plans to move some of the mining machines to another facility in the third quarter of this year, allowing it to diversify the risk of a single facility harming such a large percentage of the company's overall production. Compass Mining CEO and CFO resign. So Compass Mining reported that CEO Whit Gibbs and Chief Financial Officer Jody Fisher have resigned from the Bitcoin mining, hosting, and brokerage services firm effective immediately. The board appointed Chief Technology Officer Paul Gosker and Chief Mining Officer Thomas Heller as interim co-presidents and CEOs, respectively. This is the beginning of a restructuring effort to return the company back to its original goal of making mining easy and accessible. Last week, its hosting company, Dynamic Mining, claimed that Compass Mining owed them more than $600,000 in unpaid bills. Over the past year, customers in Nebraska, South Carolina, and Ontario have complained about delays in their build-out. Compass Mining is a services provider that operates Bitcoin mines globally and sells hash rate to customers via the web. Earlier this year, the firm lost access to about $30 million of equipment after the Biden administration imposed sanctions on Russian miner BitRiver. Switzerland-based crypto mining company expands their operations in Texas. White Rock Management, a cryptocurrency mining company based in Switzerland, plans to expand its operations to the United States, starting with Texas. The company will partner with Natural Gas On-Site Neutralization, a company that captures and uses natural gas that would be burned off to create electricity for Bitcoin mining. White Rock plans to mine Bitcoin using environmentally responsible methods. Because natural gas is one of the cleanest burning fossil fuels, electricity from natural gas is considered less damaging to the environment than energy from sources like coal and oil. Cypherpunk Holdings sells all of its Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cypherpunk Holdings, symbol HODL, a Canadian investment firm, has sold all of the Bitcoin and Ether in its treasury to reduce current market risk. The company announced that it sold 205.8209 Ethereum, the native Ether, the native token for Ethereum, for $227,000 and 214.7203 Bitcoin for about $4.7 million, collecting a total of roughly $5 million from the security sales. Cypherpunk president and CEO Jeff Gao said the decision to dump all of the firm's Bitcoin and Ether holdings came on the heels of rising market volatility that has made holding asset tokens increasingly risky for investors. We believe the most prudent approach is to sit on the sidelines as we wait for the volatility and illiquidity contagion to come to its logical conclusion, said Gao in a statement. Coinflex has been in the news as well. Coinflex negative account and recovery token specifically. Now, the crypto platform issued a one-of-a-kind, no liquidation account with a crypto whale with a personal guarantee. That whale is Roger Ver, otherwise known as Bitcoin Jesus. The company says he is in default for a $47 million debt on that account. And the crypto whale has also stated that the company actually owes him money. So there's a bit of he said, she said going on here. Now, Coinflex recently halted withdrawals on the platform, similar to several other crypto firms experiencing deep losses in this current bit of volatility. Coinflex is issuing a recovery token to help settle the loss and move forward. And finally, recent Bitcoin returns are lagging behind the US stock market and other altcoins. Bitcoin has been moving sideways for the last week or so between the $21,000 area with a 3% profit over the past week. BTC's price is currently around $20,300 and could retest previous support levels. Over that same period, Ethereum and the Binance Coin token, BNB, have seen at least a 10% profit. The S&P 500 index and the NASDAQ 100 index saw as much as a 6% profit over the past week. All of these are outperforming the 3% that Bitcoin has had thus far. That's it for tonight's show. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and join us again tomorrow for more cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Take care.